just discovered the easiest way to make lightsaber effects in your videos, and you can edit this in under 5 minutes just using an iPad. All you need is something to use as a lightsaber. It has a really brightly colored stick that's going to be the lightsaber blade. Now hit record on your camera and film your lightsaber sequence. Now open this video up on the iPad and import this clip into the LumaFusion video editing app. I'll leave a link to this in the description below if you don't have it. Drag the video onto the timeline and open the edit panel. Select key, blue screen key, and then use the eyedropper tool to select the color of the lightsaber. This will erase the lightsaber, so come down here and switch this to reverse key. Now everything but the lightsaber is erased, which is what we want. Now go to color and crank up the saturation, the vibrance, and maybe the brightness a little bit too. You can also change the hue to make the lightsaber whatever color you want. In this case, I'm going to make it green. Then go to the effects panel and add some blur. Now this is really starting to look like a lightsaber, and if you hit the play button, you'll see that this element you've created here is moving around exactly like you were moving your lightsaber in the video. But this lightsaber still needs that bright white center core to make it look even brighter and more glowy. So go back to the timeline and click on this plus button. This will duplicate the video clip, so make sure you have the top clip selected, and then if you want you can hit this eye to hide the bottom layer just to make things easier to work on because you'll only be looking at the top layer now. And then go back to the edit panel. Open the color edit tool and turn the brightness all the way up, turn the saturation all the way down. Also go back to that blur effect that you added and turn it almost all the way down. Now you have that solid bright white core that you would expect to see on a lightsaber. Go back to the timeline, make that first clip visible again so you can see the green glow, and now we have a finished lightsaber blade, but we still don't have our original video in the background. So take your original video clip, drag it down onto the timeline as well, all the way to the bottom behind the other clips, and you're finished. You can export this, and here's what it looks like. Go watch some more of my videos right over here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.